welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title of this video, I'll be showing you guys how to achieve this cute but simple fall look. Everything that I use for this video will be in the description box down below, so be sure to check that out. Comment down below which other videos you guys may want to see. I know most of you guys are like ghost subscribers, so you watch the video but you don't comment. But if you comment, it helps me a lot because I get to interact with you guys. So yeah, give this video a like if you enjoyed this video. Everything that I use will be in the description box down below, so be sure to check that out as well. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This look is giving sexy gothic type stuff, so I really hope you guys enjoy. And yeah, let's get straight into this video. So I've already done my eyebrows off camera, so we're just gonna get straight into this video. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. concealer and deep chestnut. Is the e.l.f. 16 hour camo concealer. I'm just going to prime my eyes real quick, and then I'm going to blend it out. Alright, so after I blend my eyelids, I'm gonna set it with my Laura Mercier translucent powder and translucent honey. So before I fully get into my eye look, I'm just going to prime my face real quick because my pores decided to show out today. So I'm just going to prime real quick. Alright y'all, so I got this pretty ass palette from Amazon. You guys know, like, most of my stuff are always from Amazon, so I got this pretty, I don't know if y'all can even see it, but it's so damn pretty. It came with 4 beautiful colors. Let me try to show y'all properly. 4 beautiful palettes in one. So yeah, I'm just gonna go with the orange one, which is this one, and I'm going to use this color right here at the end, and I'm basically going to pack it on top of my eyelids, just like this. I hope you guys can see. And it's like, it's not like intensively, is that a word? I think that's a word. I don't think the colors show, but it's not like intense. That's what I'm trying to say. So I'm just gonna pack the colors, gelatis. And it should look like this. And I'm just going to slowly sweep it in the windshield motion, or small circles, whatever you feel like. So now I'm going to use this bright yellow. I don't know if that's okay. This bright yellow right here. I'm just gonna tap it in a little bit, just for a hint of color under my brow bone. Just a teeny bit. Alright, so your eyes should be looking like this, right? Okay, so I'm done with this palette look thingy. So now I'm gonna get this sleek makeup eyeshadow thingy. Now Amazon catfished me because I'll show you guys how this thing was how they was trying to sell it online, and look how tiny this thing is. Like, what? I was so shocked. But anyway, this is the dark brown that is going to make your eye look it's going to make your eye look darker. So I'm just going to bathe my brush into this little eyeshadow palette, and then I'm going to pack it on my eyelid. Try to stay in one position and try to move like slowly with this, because this is very pigmented and you don't want it to look like a mess, or you don't want to look like a raccoon. So yeah. All right, you guys, so now I'm just going to gradually try to spread this brown. And I'm going to be going back and forth with the brown eyeshadow just to give it a little more brownish color. I don't know if you guys can see me properly. So yeah, I should be looking something like that. So now I'm just going to keep getting some brown, and I'm going to pack it on top of the eyes, like right here, just to give me like a darker type of color. And then I'm going to sweep it out on the outside. All right, so now that I'm done, I'm basically done with my eyes. So it's gonna look like this. The secret to this eye look is you want it to look brown and sexy, right? So I have this little tiny brush that I'm going to put inside my brown eyeshadow, and I'm going to go in my, is this called like the waterline? And I'm basically going to put some brown eyeshadow on there. I know I look crazy right now, but I promise it's gonna come together. All right, so now I'm going to use this Rimmel London Exaggerate Waterproof Eye Definer. I'm just gonna twist it up, and then I'm going to go inside my waterline and line it with this black thing. This is going to bring a definition out of your eye, just like this. I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but it's kind of like, I don't know, but it gives me something that the other eye is not given. So I'm just gonna do it to the other eye as well. All right. So now I'm going to put some mascara, and then I'm going to put on my eyelashes. I'm basically done with the eye look, to be honest with you. It's very simple and easy, and it looks bomb. I'm just going to put some mascara, and then I'm going to put on my lashes. Now the lashes that I'm using, I got these from Amazon, of course. So I'm going to use like the last look, I used the 4th line, so I think I'm going to use the 3rd line. So these ones right here, I'm gonna put my eyelashes on and hope for the best. If this eyelash takes too long to put on, probably not going to show you guys me putting it on, because it just wastes time. Alright, you guys, so my lashes are on. I'm just going to do my bottom lashes real quick, because that brings out the look. That kind of makes the looks dramatic. So I'm going to do my bottom lashes. So now I'm just going to do my foundation routine. If you guys want to see that, you can head over to my channel and just scroll a little bit. I think I did that video before the last video. So yeah, I'm just going to fast forward this, and then yeah, if you guys want to see a more in-depth video, just check out my channel and it will be there. for the perfect brown lip, I've been using this Matte Me lipstick from Amazon. First, I'm just going to put it on my lip, like kind of line my lip with it. I'm gonna wait till this dries up a little bit. And then I'm gonna go with the Fenty Beauty Lip Stunner, I think. Yeah, Stunner Lip Paint and Unveil. And I'm going to put that on top of it. And now I'm just going to add some highlighter on my Cupid's bow. Alright you guys, so this is the end of this video. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe down below if you are new to my channel to keep up with whenever I post a new video. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy. Be sure to check the description box for anything that may interest you or any product. Comment down below if you love this look or whatever, and then also comment other videos you guys may want to see. So yeah, bye guys, see you guys in